Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ford F150 garage door opener. First, make sure you have your original garage door remote control handy. You'll also want to be inside your F150 with the ignition on or in accessory mode. Look for the 3 home link buttons, usually found on the overhead console or sun visor. These buttons are what we'll be programming today. Now, let's program your F150. Simultaneously press and hold the 2 outer home link buttons until the indicator light begins to flash slowly, which takes about 20 seconds. Next, position your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons. Press and hold both the desired home link button in your F150 and the transmit button on your original remote. Release both buttons once the indicator light flashes rapidly. For the next step, you'll need to access your garage door opener motor unit. Locate the Learn or Smart button, usually found near the antenna wire. Press and immediately release this button. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your F150. Once back in your truck, firmly press and hold the home link button you just programmed for about 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this press and release action 2 more times. After completing these steps, test your newly programmed home link button. Press it once to see if your garage door opens or closes. If it doesn't work, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire programming process from the beginning, paying close attention to each step. Sometimes, older garage door openers might require a home link repeater kit for compatibility. Always ensure your original remote has fresh batteries for reliable programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.